counseling session of legal profession. I am Jaspal, mentor of legal studies at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today, in this session, we will be able to focus on the different job opportunities between different career aspects available in front of a child when he is graduate from any of the recognized institution of the country. Before proceeding further, let us understand what is law as a discipline. Law is a system of rules and regulations created or enforced by social or a governmental organizations to regulate the behavior of the citizens. It is often said that being financially lucrative, law is one such career option which is considered as advantageous and thrilling. This not only equips a child with a degree, with a knowledge, but it also transforms an individual into an accomplished lawyer, as a businessman, a bureaucrat, a diplomat, social activist, or academician. So it goes without saying that this career option is not only financially, but it is usually rewarding in other senses also. In order for a child to choose a career in legal profession, he must be fully equipped aptitude wise. His personality should be such that his concentration power, his patience, his logical reasoning, his ability to discuss matters with all types of people should be very high. These are some of the essential skills which are required in a profession like legal. If I talk about the remuneration, the nature of the job is very diverse. The salary can also be very tremendous. It may vary depending upon the nature of legal case or the status of the client involved. It may The remuneration may involve from CRs to lakhs to thousands. So, when a child clears a high school, whether he clears the high school from a science stream, whether he clears the high school from a commerce stream, whether he clears the high school from a humanities stream, he have an option to take legal as a career option from the very first year of the college itself. You can choose BA LLB, you can choose BCom LLB, you can choose BSc LLB. This integrated course is available in mostly all the colleges and universities, and it is a 5-year course. If a child wants to attain graduation in any other field, then he is free to do so by availing that particular course of 3 years or 4 years. And after doing that graduation, if he realizes that he should be taking legal as a career option, then he can choose legal as a career option after graduation also. Then a 3-year course is available, which we call it as LLB. So these are the 3-year or 5-year integrated courses available after high school and after a undergraduate course at any of the recognized institution of the country. After a child is done with the graduation and the post graduation, there are two options available in front of him. He can either go for legal practice or he can choose the options other than the legal practice. So let us discuss what are the options available on both the sides. The options which are available as a legal professional are a child can go into a private sector, as a legal advisor. He can go as a public sector undertaking and can work in a legal session. He can be a legal editor in any of the MNC. He can be legal consultant in any of the legal firm. He can be an arbitrator. He can work as an advocate in a legal law firm. He can take litigation as a career option. He can work in a legal process outsourcing. These are some of the lucrative career options available in front of a child when he does the graduation from legal or post graduation from legal. Other than the legal practices, there are other options available in front of a child. None other career option will provide you with such diversity in career options, but legal have. Other than the legal practice, if a child realizes after doing a graduation or a post graduation that he is not interested in legal profession, you can choose otherwise also. You can go for academia. You can take uh, the role of a teacher in any of the high school, or the role of a lecturer in, or a role of a professor in any of the recognized university. He can be a legal correspondent. He can be a legal author. He can author one book. He can go for civil services. Civil services over here mean he can go for a judicial services. He can go for a legal profession. He can be a judge or an advocate general in an army. So these are the options. Yes, if he chooses an option of a politician and if he is well equipped with the knowledge of legal, then it will help him a lot in rising through the ladders of the public life. So you can see that there are n number of options available in front of a child. Whether he is choosing a legal profession, he can go for litigation, he can be an arbitrator, he can work in a law firm, he can work in an MNC. And if he is not interested in a legal profession, these are the other set of options available in front of a child. Now, after doing the graduation or a post graduation, if a child realizes, if a student realizes कि I can do masters, I should have a specialization, then a course is available which is called as LLM, where you can go for a specialization in legal, in law, in any of the field mentioned here. You can go for a civil or a criminal law. You can go for a study in constitutional law. You can go for a study in administrative law, human rights law, family law, taxation, corporate law, business law, international law, labor law, real estate law, intellectual property or patent law. You can go for a specialization in any of these. And remember, once you have a specialization in all these or in any of these, your career prospects, your job opportunities increases manifold, your remuneration doubles and doubles, right? So this is one of the lucrative job. When you look at this epidemic, COVID epidemic, which has crippled the entire humanity of the world, we have seen that there is a tussle, there is a debate going on that whether the intellectual property rules should be relaxed or not, and the formula of the vaccine should be shared with the underdeveloped and the developing countries or not, so that locally they can manufacture vaccines as per the requirement in their own countries. So, if a student is masters in an intellectual property field, is specialized in this field, then surely he can pave a way, he can guide the entire countries, he can work as an advisor for United States of America or for European Union or for United Nations also. So we can see the lucrative career options available before a child. Now, You all must be thinking that this legal profession have so much of lucrative options available in front of us. But how to go through when you are passing a high school and if you are choosing this as an option, you wish to do graduation in legal profession, then how you can choose the different colleges. And these are the sets of test examinations which are being conducted, some by the government, some by different agencies, some by the colleges itself. The most popular one is the CLAT, which we all are well aware of. It is Common Law Admission Test, which is generally conducted in the month of June, May or June. Likewise, we have different colleges test like All India Law Entrance Test of Delhi, Andhra Pradesh Law Common Entrance Test, the Rajasthan University LLB Entrance Test. So, in order to enter the prestigious institutions of law of our country, one needs to pass these examination once he clears his high school, and then according to the marks he have received in the entrance examination, he can get these prestigious institutions to do the graduation or the post graduation. So we have understood that in order to have a career option in law, one should be a confident, one should not only be wise, but have a thorough knowledge in his own subject. One should have a sharp mind, sharp tongue, one should be a thinker, one should have a good passion of reading, one should not only write, but he should have a good knowledge of vocab, one should have a habit of listening also, one should have a sense of fairness, honesty, and if you are equipped with all these skills, you will surely be a winner. You shall surely be highly successful in your career. So, with this, the career counseling session of legal profession concludes. I hope this session must have given you the proper insights about are the career opportunities available in this legal profession. If any of you have any questions, you can leave your question in the comment box. We will try to answer it as soon as possible. And yes, if you have loved the session, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day.